In this example, we will show how simple it is to automatically populate the description of all your measures in Power BI using OpenAI. As you can see here, the description for total defect quantity is not populated. We have another measure called total downtime minutes max, which does have a description. We then run our code. This retrieves data from Power BI and runs it through OpenAI to document the measure descriptions. The code only requires a few simple parameters to run: dataset name, port number for Power BI, workspace name. The code also identifies if there are measures that already have a description, such as downtime minute supply and downtime minutes max. It then gives you an opportunity to keep the existing description or override with a new description. Once the code has run, you can see here that OpenAI interpreted the Power BI DAX code and translated it into a description. This is a bulk update that is performed across all of your Power BI measures, a highly efficient way of empowering your business with important metadata.